Get out your measuring sticks and we'll play a new game. Come to the front of the class and we'll measure your brain. Get out your measuring sticks and we'll play a new game. We'll give you a complex and give it a name. So if you pretend to do what they're expecting you to do, just make it look convincing. 'Cause if you don't wanna do what they're expecting you to do, they're gonna make you start over, and you don't wanna start over, no, no, no. You don't wanna put your backpack on your shoulder, be the good little soldier, take your place in line, 'cause you know we're all predisposed. Get out your measuring cups and we'll play a new game. Can't have the cream when the crop and the cream are the same. Get out your measuring cups and we'll play a new game. Liquid or gas or what a glass will contain. There's a well-worn place for you, waiting in September. Hold still while we trace your shoes, so you remember next September. There's a gene that makes you happy, and it looks a lot like the one that brings you down. But I just have to wonder, how can that be? It looks like one of their tricks to keep us down. So keep your backpack on your shoulder, be the good little soldier, take your place in line, 'cause you know we're all predisposed. That's all for questions, case is closed. Measuring cups and we'll play a new game. Come to the front of the class and we'll measure your brain. Get out your measuring cups and we'll play a new game. Liquid or gas or what a glass will contain. Measuring cups and we'll play a new game. Sometimes I live in the country, sometimes I live in town, and I wanna put my money on the power of suggestion to make all those square pegs think that they're round.